AI in dissertation writing, ethics and integrity. Welcome. Today, we explore AI's role in dissertation writing and academic integrity. AI can be a powerful assistant if used ethically, enhancing the dissertation process. What are some ways AI can assist in writing a dissertation? AI aids in literature review by efficiently summarizing vast amounts of research. It helps in idea generation, identifying research gaps and potential topics. AI can suggest logical frameworks, assisting in structuring the dissertation content. Language enhancement is another benefit, refining grammar and ensuring clarity. Some AI tools can dramatically improve quantitative and qualitative data analysis. What key considerations should be maintained for academic integrity? Transparency and proper attribution are crucial in using AI for research. Researchers must verify AI-generated content for accuracy and relevance. It's vital to avoid plagiarism and never pass off AI text as original work. The researcher's unique analysis and arguments must remain at the core of their dissertation. AI should support, not replace, critical thinking and individual analysis. Using AI takes care of time-consuming tasks, allowing more focus on original insights. What is SSBR's stance on using AI in dissertation writing? SSBR encourages ethical AI use, promoting research enhancement while upholding integrity. We educate students on leveraging AI responsibly, ensuring high scholarly standards. AI offers fascinating contributions to academic research without compromising ethics. Thank you for exploring AI's role in dissertation writing with us. Stay curious and ethical.